Welcome guys to today's video. I want to show you something very cool that Leonardo AI has introduced for quite some time actually, and it is the image to motion generator, meaning you would be able to add some motion to images that you've generated or images that others have generated that are in the public space using Leonardo. And let's just go to some of the images we've generated from previous videos. If you haven't watched the previous video, I will link it up right on top of this video. Now, these are some of the images we've generated from the previous videos, and aren't they looking real? I mean, look at them. And this was in our video for image to image feature of like Leonardo AI. So let's say we want to just add motion to any of these images. I'll go with the first one, and it's now very easy to find it because from here you could just see it here, just generate motion video from this particular image. And I wouldn't want to raise your hopes so high. Let me just give that disclaimer. It's not the kind of motion that would make the image start doing stuff. No, it's basically just going to add a little bit of movement to the existing image. Like probably the background is going to move. It's just going to generate some form of video out of it, and that's it. And you can control the strength here, meaning the higher you move it, the more the movement in the background, and vice versa. So let's do it this way. Let's just go with three different movements. The first one, since we have from 1 to 10, the first one should be on, let's say, 3. Then the second one would be on 7, and the third one would be on maybe 9, just to see. And each motion, like image to motion feature you use, takes up 25 credits out of your daily allocated 150 credits for a free account. So let's go ahead and do it this way. Now, while it's generating this, we could still use the same image. Go to 3, save 6. Yep. And then we're going to add 9. And I'm doing this just to show the different motions. I mean the difference between each motion strength. And yeah, so I'm gonna pause this video and come back when it's done. All right, so the results are back, and I noticed something better than I expected. I mean, in some cases, I also noticed something I haven't seen in some of the generations I have done, maybe because I've been regulating the motion strength. And this is the first one. This was the one that had motion strength of around 3. I think that was the first one. 3 was the motion strength, and it looks like, all right, the background is what's moving, and the main character is still, it's still. These mostly the ones I've been checking out, but check this out. There is a blink of an eye here, and this makes it even more interesting. You see this? This is at strength 6, I think. Yeah, strength 6. This is way better. I mean we can use this for b-rolls and like creating videos. And when you have like a lot of similar shots like this, you could describe image to motion in a video and it will make complete sense. This was the one I was disappointed with, the one with the motion strength at 9, because it started well. Maybe the motion was too much for it and it just had to distort the image. Look at the hand, look at the face. It's the background can the background hasn't also survived it, because look at this person. He just disappeared into thin air. I mean, this person in white. So it's I think this should tell you, the more strength you give it, the more, I mean, distortion you get, and the less strength, the, I mean, probably the better. But you should just stick to somewhere in the middle, let's say 5, 6. Highest should be around 7, and you would get like an optimal result. I would want to see you guys using it for some other use cases. Let's just see. But take note that whichever generation you're doing, it costs an extra 25 coins out of your daily allocation. That's if you are using a free account. And well, just give it a try and let me know what you think. So that's been it. As always, I'll keep coming back with some Leonardo AI image videos and some other AI related videos as well, aside from the other tech videos that we will be talking about on this channel. So goodbye, and I will see you in the next one.